If you are experiencing issues with Outlook not receiving emails on your iPhone, then you can try these troubleshooting steps to resolve the problem. So firstly, check your internet connection. Ensure that your iPhone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or cellular data network. Poor or unstable internet connectivity can prevent Outlook from syncing emails as well. So after you do that, simply tap on the settings on your iPhone. So after you tap on settings, inside settings, scroll down and tap on the general. In general, tap on the iPhone storage, and in iPhone storage, tap on Outlook from the listed installed apps. So after you tap on the Outlook, you will get to see the offload app and delete app option available there. Simply tap on the offload app to remove the app from your device but keep its data. So what happens is, after you offload the app, then it will delete the app but it will keep its data and everything, and it will download the updated version. You can simply tap on the reinstall app option available there and it will download the updated version. And by offloading and reinstalling the Outlook app, you will receive the emails on iPhone on Outlook. So that is it, guys. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.